Hello! In this video we will add a new model window, so when we click on someone's username we can observe user profile. Let's navigate back to code, and here under messages folder let's create new file that we will name profile info btn model.js. Let's create a new component, and for now let's keep it empty. Let's open message item, and here instead of this span element where we display author name, let's display profile info btn model. And for this component, because we need to get user data, we need to display it inside. We will pass profile prop, and we're gonna pass just author, and everything else will be managed from inside the component. So from here we're gonna destructure profile for now, and let's define the markup. So first of all we are going to put button, and this button will say short name of our user. So let's create new variable here that we will name short name, and it will display only the first word of nickname. So if it is a full name like first name, second name, we will display only first name. So let's put profile.name, then we're gonna split it with empty spaces, and then we will grab the first element. Now we will display only the first name. Because it is going to be model, we also need to get model state. So let's use our hook, which is use model state. Here we will receive is open, close, and open. Alright, now next to this button we will put model, and inside this model let's first define show property, which is going to be is open, and on hide is going to be close. Then inside this model we will have model.header as always, then we will have body, and we will have footer like this. So inside header we will have model.title, and inside model title we're gonna display short name profile. Then inside body, or maybe inside footer, we will display button, which is going to be a block element. On click it will close our model, and it will be just a button just to close this model. Then inside body, first we are going to put it class name of text center. So inside we will put exactly the same avatar image as we do in avatar upload btn, which is, yes, this profile avatar. So let's copy it and let's put it here. Now let's import profile avatar, and next to it we're gonna display h4, where we will display the full name of this user. So let's first grab it. Const name is going to be grabbed from profile, and maybe let's also grab avatar and let's say created at. So now we don't need to destructure, or we don't need to specify profile over here. So for this h4 we will put margin top 2 to add some margin at the top, and then we will display member since, and then we are going to put member since variable that we will create. So let's put const member since, and we're gonna put new date created at, and then we will simply just call to local date string to format our date. And also we didn't use open, so let's put it for this on click. Okay, good. Now let's open message item. It looks fine. It looks fine. Now let's take a look. So as you can see, now we have the button. When we click on it, we can see she looks 22 profile, our image, full name, member since, and close. Perfect, but I don't want to be displayed it like this. So we're gonna adjust a few things. So everything else that will be passed to this component as a prop will be redirected to button props. And also let's get rid of this div as a wrapping element. Let it be just a button at the end. So all of that props will be passed to this button. So let's spread btn props object over this component like that. So for this profile info btn model, we can pass appearance, which is going to be link, and also we can pass class name. Let's add padding 0, then let's add margin left 1, and also text black. Let's save it and let's take a look. Alright, now it looks good. If I hover, I can see that it is something that clickable. If I click on it, I can get user data. Okay, perfect. So this is it. Now let's commit our changes. Git at everything, git commit, let's say displayed user data with model window. Alright, see you in the next one.